Anjana. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell a story by using puppet show. The story name is All the Difference in the World.
Before going to the show, let me tell you how I made the garden and the characters. The story happens in a garden, so I created a garden by using thermocol and blue color sheet for pond, green color sheet for garden, brown color sheet for land, and I also used toothpick to make fence. I used pebbles and toys which I had in my home.
How to create the characters? Can you guess? Yes. First we have to draw the character in a paper, then cut the outline according to the shape and color it. Last we have to stick it onto the ice cream stick. Hi, let's start telling the story.
Every Sunday morning, I take a light jog around a park near my home. There is a lake located in one corner of the park. Each time I jog by this lake, I see the same elderly woman sitting at the water's edge with a small metal cage sitting beside her. This past Sunday, my curiosity got the best of me, so I stopped jogging and walked over to her. As I got closer, I realized that the metal cage was in fact a small trap. There were three turtles unharmed, slowly walking around the base of the trap. She had a fourth turtle in her lap that she was carefully scrubbing with a spongy brush. "Hello," I said. "I see you here every Sunday morning. If you don't mind my noisiness, I would like to know what you're doing with these turtles." She smiled. "I'm cleaning off their shells," she replied. "Anything on a turtle's shell, like algae or scum, reduces the turtle's ability to absorb heat and impedes its ability to swim. It can also corrode and weaken the shell over time." "Wow, that's really nice of you," I exclaimed. She went on. "I spent a couple of each house Sunday morning, relaxing by this lake and helping these little guys out. It's my own strange way of making a difference. But don't most freshwater turtles live their whole lives with algae and scum hanging from their shells?" I asked. "Yup, sadly they do," she replied. I scratched my head. "Well then, don't you think your time could be better spent? I think your efforts are kind and all, but there are freshwater turtles living in lakes all around the world, and 99% of these little turtles don't have kind people like you to help them clean off their shells. So no offense, but how exactly are your localized efforts are here truly making a difference?" The woman giggled aloud. She then looked down at the turtle in her lap, scrubbed off the last piece of algae from its shell, and said, "Sweetie, if this little guy could talk, I have tell you I just made all the difference in the world." The moral: you can change the world, maybe not at once, but one person, one animal, and one good deed at a time. Wake up every morning and pretend like what you do makes a difference. It does.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, like, comment, support me by subscribing. Let's share the happiness. My name is Anjana. Thank you. I have created this project with the help of my mom by using Hi, let's start.